Hello, good morning friends. My name is Cindy. I'm from Primary 6 Responsibility of Sekolah Tunas Bangsa Kuburaya Indonesia. In this video, I will talk about the Earth and its surrounding space under the theme How the World Works. With the central idea, the Earth and its atmosphere are surrounded by space and are a complex of universe. I hope you will enjoy this video and get an information of some part of it. Thank you. What is solar system? Solar system is the gravitationally bound system comprising the sun and the objects that orbit it. Do you know the solar system are formed about 4.6 billion years ago? There are 8 planets in our solar system. The first one is Mercury. This planet is named after the Roman god Mercury. It has the fastest orbit in the solar system and takes only 88 days to travel around the sun. The second one is Venus. Venus is almost as large as the Earth. It is surrounded by a thick layer of cloud. For a long time, it was believed that people could live there. The third one is Earth. Earth is where we live. Large quantities of water present on Earth make it a unique planet in the solar system. Its distance from the sun gives Earth a temperature that allows water to stay in a liquid form. The fourth one is Mars. This planet takes its name from the Roman god of war because it glows blood red. The surface of Mars contains a lot of iron which in the course of time has become rusty, hence the red color. This planet is smaller than Earth, but it has 2 moons and the highest mountain in the whole of the solar system. The fifth one is Jupiter. This is the largest planet in the solar system. It is named after the Roman king of the gods. Jupiter does not have a solid surface but consists mainly of different gases. The sixth one is Saturn. This is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is rather like Jupiter and is easily recognized by the beautiful rings which surround it. These rings consist of chunks of ice. Some of these are only as big as a lump of sugar, others as far as we know. The seventh one is Uranus. This planet is covered by a thick layer of ice. Its distance from the sun means it gets hardly any warm. 15 moons orbit this planet as it travels through the universe. The last one is Neptune. Neptune was named after the Roman god of the sea, and the planet really does resemble the color of the ocean. It is as big as Uranus, and like Uranus, is covered with a thick layer of ice. 8 moons orbit this planet. Do you know there are 5 layers of Earth atmosphere? The first layer is the troposphere. It's the first layer above the surface and contains half of Earth's atmosphere. Weather occurs in this layer. The second layer is the stratosphere. It's the ozone layer absorbs harmful rays from the sun. The third layer is the mesosphere. It's where meteors or rock fragments burn up. And the fourth layer is the thermosphere. It's where the space shuttle orbits. And the last one is the exosphere. It is the upper limit of our atmosphere. Do you know what is our galaxy name? Our galaxy name is Milky Way. Why is it named Milky Way? Why not chocolate or cheese? It's named Milky Way because it's derived from its appearance as a dim glowing band arching across the night sky. The term Milky Way is a translation of the Latin Via Lactea from the Greek that means milky circle. Our galaxy is Milky Way and our solar system is located around there. Star has many types and one of them is our star, Sun. Our star is the medium size. Each galaxy contains of billion stars. Arcturus, Alpha Scorpii and VS Canis Majoris is another big kind of star. Who is the first man landed on the moon? The famous one is Neil Armstrong. But actually there are 3. Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Apollo 11. Neil Armstrong was the first man on the moon. He landed on the moon on July 20, 1969. Neil Armstrong was a NASA astronaut and the first man on the moon, or more accurately, the first man to set foot on the moon. He was also an accomplished test pilot and a figure so large in American and world history that you can bet many generations from now people will still be talking about him, as well as his moon landing. Neil Armstrong died on August 25, 2012. He was 82. 1 year after his death, NASA recalled the iconic astronaut's legacy in a video tribute. Buzz Aldrin was born in January 20, 1930, is an American engineer and former astronaut as the lunar module pilot on Apollo 11. He was one of the first two humans to land on the moon and the second person to walk on it. He landed on the moon with Neil Armstrong on July 20, 1969. Apollo 11, or we can call it Michael Collins, was the first manned mission to land on the moon. The first steps by humans on another planetary body were taken by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on July 20, 1969. And also, do you know Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman to fly to space when she launched on the Vostok 6 missions on June 16, 1963. Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman to go into space when she flew Vostok 6 in 1963. She spent almost 3 days in space and orbited Earth 48 times. Now, I will tell you the space technology and its impact to our life. The first one is satellites. What is the impact to our life? The impact to our life. Transmitting TV and telephone signals. Transmitting satellite navigation systems such as those used by cars and planes to satellites that orbit our planet. Lunar rover or moon rover in a space exploration vehicle decide to move across the surface of the moon. The impact to our life is can transport members of human spaceflight crew to study about space.